Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Start, then Control Panel, then Default Programs. This gets you straight to app associations. Once there, select Set Your Default Programs so you can see which apps control which file types. Make sure to identify the specific application you want to remove as default. Knowing the app name avoids accidental changes. You're starting the process now so you can change associations cleanly. Follow the next step to unassign file types and take control of. Next, select the target application and click Choose Defaults for this program so you can see every file type it handles. You will clear or uncheck the boxes for the extensions and protocols you want to remove. This unbinds the app from those files. Once done, click Save or OK to commit the changes. Windows updates associations immediately. If you prefer, use Set Program Access and Computer Defaults to pick an alternate default. Make sure to confirm the new default exists. To finish, open a sample file of the affected type to verify it no longer opens with the old program. This confirms success. If it still opens with the previous app, right-click a file, choose Open With, then choose Default Program and explicitly pick the new app or always use the selected program. If associations remain stubborn, reinstalling or repairing the preferred application, and then resetting defaults usually clears cached links. Also restart Explorer or the PC if changes don't appear immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.